Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just filming this look. It is super easy. It's just a sun-kissed summertime makeup look. It's what I've been wearing pretty much every single day if I do wear makeup, which I have to be honest, a lot of the time I don't. But if you guys like this look, you want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so to get into the video, I don't know why I'm speaking British, but the first thing I'm gonna do is use this is some new skincare I got. It's Drunk Elephant, but this is my new favorite thing and I use it every day. It's a Glycolic night serum. Even though it's night, like I still like to use it at day. I still like to use it at day. During the day, because I do get a lot of sunspots whenever I tan a lot. And as much as I do like getting freckles, I still don't want to get like sunspots, you know what I mean? I like freckles, but I don't want to get sun damage like when I'm older, so this is just a glycolic kind of peel thing that I use. So I'm going to put it all over my face. And it just kind of helps with like resurfacing the skin, which I need in the summer months. Bring it up the neck like one of my followers so kindly told me to do, and I also put it on the back of my hands because those are the first things that age. After that, I'm gonna use just a little bit of primer, and I'll show you why. I'm gonna use the POREfessional. I've got a few breakouts right now. Oh, look at that. They're in a perfectly straight line. How lovely. But they're kind of like at the crusty stage, which is kind of gross, but anytime that happens, a good way to kind of smooth them over is to use some primer. So just a little tiny bit, and I'm just gonna put it on those 3 pimples I have that are kind of like in the scab stage, and that's really gonna help the application process of my concealer. Then I'm now going to go in with this GoGo tint, and I have to work very quickly with this stuff because it is so vibrant. It's totally red. So I'm so nervous to use it because if I just do dots, it'll literally make the dots so quickly. So I just use a little teeny bit and immediately start rubbing it in, or else it'll look really funny. There's one side done. Now for the next. Just do 3 dots. I just put it a little on my nose as well, just because those are the areas I feel like I naturally get sunburned, or sun-kissed, I should say. I'm just gonna put a little bit more here. All right, I think that's good. So that is how I do my little pink, focus please, my little pink sun-kissed blush look. I will go over top of it with some powder, but that's that. And then as far as bronzer goes, I very much like to have bronze skin. I definitely use a lot. I've gotten lots of comments on it, but hey man, if you don't want to use as much as me, then just don't. But my face just doesn't tan as easily as the rest of my body. I think it's also because I just, you know, you exfoliate your face a lot more than you do any other area of your body. So I kind of have to make it catch up with the rest of me because my body gets really tan, but my face just doesn't for some reason. So I'm basically kind of doing the Kim Kardashian trick where you do a little 3, like so. So I put it on my forehead, all over my forehead, and then right on the cheekbone, and then down the jawline. But I don't put a lot on my jawline, and I make sure to really blend it out. So in the summer months, I don't really set my face with powder at all. I just go over the cream products I used with bronzer and powder blush, because if I don't, like when I'm sitting in class and stuff, I rest my hands on my face a lot and it'll kind of turn splotchy. if I don't set it. So I'm just gonna go in with a brush and this bronzer from bareMinerals in the shade Invisible Bronze, and set my forehead and anywhere I bronzed with that. For blush, I switch it up a lot, but in the summer months, this is my favorite blush to use. That was loud. It's the shade Luminoso from this Milani blush, and it's just it's a really pretty light corally color, but it just adds some shimmer to my cheeks. And it's just a perfect sun-kissed blush. And I always, this is the key to looking super sun-kissed, is to take it under the eye. I don't know why that makes it look so much more sun-kissed and natural, but it does. And that's how I've been applying my blush pretty much every day now, and I've gotten a lot of comments for people wondering how I do it. So I also bring it up right by my temples. So that's that. And then after that, I just go in and do my what is that? I go in and do my fake freckles. I'm gonna skip through this part because I already have a video on it, and I'm probably gonna be uploading a new updated fake freckle routine, so I'm gonna save that for another video. So see you in a second. Okay, so I'm back with some fake freckles, and now I'm going to do my eyes and my lips. Super boring, but I guess I'll film it anyways. So all I've really been doing is just using a cream eyeshadow. This one is from E.L.F. and it is in the shade Cruisin Chic. And it's just a little taupey kind of shimmery color. Simple as that. And then I just do some mascara. I still really like this mascara. I talked about it in another video. It was a Star Wars themed like makeup collection that I got from Kohl's, but I really like the mascara, so I might keep using it. And I don't wear a lot just in case I sweat or, you know, things like that, so I just do a few little blinks. And then as far as my eyebrows go, I don't do much. I just fill in this little spot where I have a scar because it bothers me, and then I just kind of run a light line through the bottom just to make them look a bit more structured, and then I fill that in. Alrighty. Oh, actually, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to take this highlight color from bareMinerals in the shade Celestial and just pop it into my inner corners because it's really pretty. It's super shimmery and it makes my eyes look more awake. Whatever's left on my finger, I'll just pop on my brow bone. Alright, and last but certainly not least, I'm going to apply some lip balm. I'm gonna zoom out now so my head's not cut off. And my favorite and only lipstick I've been using for like probably 6 months now. It's my favorite. It's the Neutrogena Revitalizing Lip Balm in the shade Fresh Plum. And it's just like a really pretty kind of brownish nude. I don't know. It's just like the perfect nude. I finally found it and this is it. So it's my favorite one. Oops. There it is. Alrighty, so that is the finished look. Super easy. This is basically what I've been wearing every day in the upcoming summer months. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the little bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, which is weekly. So I don't have a designated day though. I really need to be better about that. But anyways, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.